Hello friends, this video is about how to fix pictures for social media due to GDPR law in European Union. Due to this regulation from May 25, 2018, a person's face is considered as biometric information or data. We have to cover other people's faces on our pictures in the European Union if you do not have a permission to use it or they didn't sign a model release. This is one great app. You can download it from the App Store. It's called Photo Blur. It's black and white logo on my screen. You can download it and use it. Just open it. You can edit it. You can crop it, change rotation. You even can choose whitening it. And then you go to blur button and choose filter to use. You can use one of those like 4 filter like that. If you don't like this kind of filter, you can erase the images, just erase. Personally, I like the first one because picture looks natural as is. If I use the first one, I just cover faces with blurriness just a little bit and do not break the law. After that, you can download to your gallery or this picture or to your social media pages. Subscribe to my channel. Bye.